Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the app is installed and up to date. That avoids broken shortcuts later. Once done, open the System App List. Start on Windows, /Applications on Mac OS, or the Apps grid on mobile. Make sure you have permission to modify the desktop or home screen. Then select the app icon so you can create a shortcut. This first action places you in the right UI and prevents common mistakes when creating direct access. Now you create the actual shortcut. On Windows, right-click the app, choose More and open File Location, then drag the app or its shortcut to the desktop so you get a L and K pointing to the real exe. On Mac OS, right-click the app in /Applications, select Make Alias and move that alias to the desktop. Aliases keep apps intact. On mobile devices, long press the icon and choose Add to Home Screen or drag it. This produces a tappable shortcut for quick access. Finish by renaming the shortcut so you recognize it quickly, then optionally pin it to the taskbar or dock for one-click launch. Make sure the shortcut points to the app executable or alias. Incorrect targets cause failures. If the shortcut doesn't open the app, recreate it and check file path and permissions. Sometimes antivirus or moved installs break links. As a troubleshooting tip, verify the app's install location, then rebuild the shortcut, and that should resolve most issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.